outside diameter or object thickness between caliper faces. A. True. B. False. Vernier caliper's lowest count is determined by the following. A. Difference between a main scale division and a vernier scale division. B. Ratio of a main scale division and vernier scale division. C. Sum of a main scale division and a vernier scale division. Which of the following kinds of calipers is used to draw parallel lines to borders on both the inside and outside? A. Inside caliper. B. Outside caliper. C. Jenny's caliper. D. Firm joint caliper. Name the device used to gauge block step height. A. Outside micrometer. B. Tube micrometer. C. Inside micrometer. D. Depth micrometer. Calipers that come with the heel or regular leg are referred to as A. Firm and spring joint calipers. B. Firm joint calipers. C. Hermaphrodite calipers. D. Spring joint calipers. A vernier caliper's lowest count will be 19 millimeters, major scale divisions divided into 20 equally spaced divisions. A. 0.019. B. 0.05. C. 0.02. D. 0.01. What is the minor count of the standard metric vernier caliper? A. 0.02 millimeters. B. 0.2 millimeters. C. 0.5 millimeters. D. 0.1 millimeters. As the slider is moved along a track, it keeps track of more significant increments, up to 100 in A. Internal measuring jaws. B. Locking screw. C. Zeroing no. D. Reference edge. Most used and reliable measuring device. A. Dial indicator. B. Micrometer. C. Dial caliper. D. Inside micrometer. More than 6 inches will be measured using a standard inch caliper. A. Dial caliper measurements. B. Pointer. C. Depth. D. Dial caliper limit. Adjust the distance between the measurement surface while moving the blade. A. True. B. False. What measurements below cannot be taken with a vernier caliper? A. Measuring the length of an iron nail. B. Measuring the height of a tower. C. Measuring a spherical or cylindrical object's outer diameter. Here are 2 sample questions that are about the same difficulty level as the actual test of 0.5, 1.5, 3.5, and 12.5, 37.5, 39.5. A. 7.5. B. 5.5. C. 10.5. This question is a variation of the Fibonacci sequence. Each term equals the subtraction between the two previous terms of 11, minus 23, 34, minus 57, 91. A, 158. B, minus 156. C, minus 148. The following sample question is harder than the actual test questions. But, if you master the questions on this difficulty level, the real questions will feel much easier of 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, 9, 12, 144. A, 1522. B, 320. C, 148. Here you'll receive math questions, in which you'll have to identify number patterns and determine which is the next number in the series according to the pattern of 3, minus 6, 12, 4, 20. A, 13. B, 14. C, 6. What is the next number in the following series of numbers of dash 1, 2, 1, 3, 4? A, 5. B, 7. C, 1. D, 6. What is the next number in the following series of numbers of 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 18, 21? A, 84. B, 63. C, 26. D, 24. The possible answers are 3, minus 6, 12, 4, 20. A, 13. B, 6. C, 14. D, 16. It is used to measure your suitability and fit for specific job roles. A, a personality test. B, highly competitive and ambitious. C, more relaxed and laid back. D, time conscious and always in a hurry. On average, how much sales did each agent generate in August? A, 11,000. B, 12,500. C, 13,000. D, 14,000. What is the next number in the series of 13, 9, 14, 8, 15? A, 7. B, 8. C, 15. D, 23. What is the next number in the series of 45, 15, 30, 30, 10, 20? A, 1. B, 10. C, 20. D, 40. What is the next number in the series of 12, 12, 24, 8, 2, 10? A, 5. B, 8. C, 20. D, 60. Chris is 15 years old and his sister is exactly twice as old as him. How old will his sister be when Chris turns 19? A, 30. B. 33. C. 34. D. 38. A plumber has 6,000 toilet sinks. He is about to install 20% of all sinks over the next 4 days. If he plans to divide his work evenly, how many toilet sinks will he install on each of the 4 days? A. 300. B. 400. C. 500. A Bluetooth speaker costs $120. Its price rose by 20% and then by another $24. What is the total percentage increase in price for the speaker? A. 35%. B. 40%. C. 45%. A recipe for making 18 cookies requires 3/4 cups of sugar. How much sugar would be needed to make 2 dozen cookies using the same recipe? A. 3/8 cups. B. 1 cup. C. 1/13 cups. Choose which of the following expressions represents the highest value. A. 1449. B. 1550. C. 1751. D. 1664. If the assumptions are true, is the conclusion A. Correct. B. Cannot be determined based on the information available. C. Incorrect. (424-1839). A. 15. B. 54. C. 18. D. 36. (313, 16, 29, 45, 74). A. 119. B. 90. C. 103. D. 3. Dan can walk 100 meters in 1 minute. Peter can walk 400 meters in 5 minutes. If they start off together, how far ahead will they be of each other after 10 minutes? A. 100 m. B. 200 m. C. 300 m. If 10 hens can lay 100 eggs in 10 days, how long would it take 4 hens to lay 28 eggs? A. 1 day. B. 7 days. C. 10 days. D. 14 days. Tina is taller than Sia and Uma is shorter than Roslyn. If Tina is shorter than Uma, who is the shortest? A. Roslyn. B. Sia. C. Tina. D. Uma. Which word has a different meaning to the other 3? A. Measure. B. Appraise. C. Estimate. D. Praise. There are 26 students in Class A. Class B has 14 boys and 11 girls. When the classes are combined, there are 3 more girls than boys. How many girls are there in Class A? A. 12. B. 13. C. 16. Choose a pair that is analogous to temperature, flame. A. Tornado, storm. B. Freeze, cold. C. Sea level, tide. D. Wind, velocity. Which of the following is the opposite of the word dark? A. Happy. B. Red. C. Day. D. Light. (49, 51, 54, 27, 9, 11, 14). A. 17. B. 16. C. 7. D. 12. (19, 18, 22, 21, 25). A. 24. B. 28. C. 26. D. 23. (7, 5, 10, 7, 21, 17). A. 34. B. 38. C. 51. D. 68. Which word does not belong? A. Island. B. Mountain. C. Crater. D. Forest. Irreversible is to repair as impenetrable is to. A. Pierce. B. Restore. C. Immutable. D. Impervious. Satiety is to the meal as achievement is to. A. Effort. B. Trophy. C. Conquest. D. Running. The letter is to the word as the house is to. A. Mansion. B. Hospital. C. Homeless. D. Room. Which words do not belong? A. Cloud. B. Hail. C. Fog. D. Frost. The two words abort and abbreviate. A. Have similar meanings. B. Have contradictory meanings. C. Have neither similar nor contradictory meanings. In June, Joey sold 70% of her products at market fairs, and she sold the rest of her products via her website. She sold 120 products less on her website than at market fairs. What was the total number of products that Joey sold? A. 150. B. 200. C. 300. Tina is taller than Sia and Uma is shorter than Roslyn. If Tina is shorter than Uma, who is the shortest? A. Roslyn. B. Sia. C. Tina. D. Uma. How many new accounts did agents A and C account for together in July? A. 29. B. 24. C. 18. D. 26. The metric system's minimum vernier caliper count is A. 0.02 millimeters, B. 0.001 millimeters, C. 0.01 millimeters, D. 0.06 millimeters. The caliper known as is used to determine the center of round bars. A. Spring joint calipers, B. Firm joint calipers, C. All the above, D. Jenny calipers. What dimension does the caliper indicate? A. 39 millimeters, B. 40 millimeters, C. 40.4 millimeters, D. 40.2 millimeters.